guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So today I thought I'll do some fun makeup look. I want to do like colorful eyes, something different than what I usually do. So let's start. Wait anymore. Let's start with the video. So this is what I'm going to be using today. It's from Sephora and has like beautiful colors. So I thought I'll use a few of these colors. They have lipsticks and they have some more eyeshadows here, lip gloss, lipsticks, and also blush and some eyeliner, highlighters, brows. I just love this. So the colors that I'll be using for today's video, I think I'll go with yellow, green and orange. What do you guys think? I think this will look cool. So let me show you the palette here. So yellow, green, I think orange will also look good. So the first color that I'm going to start with is yellow, and I'm going to take some yellow color and apply it on the inner corners. So you've seen that I've applied yellow on both the eyes. Now I'm just using the same brush, dusting off the color. Then I'm going to apply orange. So let's do this. So you guys can see that I'm using this flat brush. It makes it really simple, it makes it really easy to like just apply the color. So the other, like a little loose brush, that is good if you want to like mix the colors to blend it. You can use this for like glitter also. So I'm just like pressing the color. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Doesn't really need to be perfect. We'll blend it later. So moving on to my next color, which is green. I'm taking the same brush, guys. I'm not changing the brush. I just like dusted off the extra color. So using the same brush. Oh my god, I'm like really nervous. Green. Let's try this. To make like a wing here, just like this. So I'm just gonna blend it a little bit, not too much, just here, just so that it doesn't look like too sharp. I just like it like that. I'm thinking I'll do like a wing liner, some mascara, and that's it. So let me just do that and I'll show you my entire look. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below, and also tell me if you like this look, yes or no. Be honest, you can tell me. And also I'm on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official, and I will see you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.